Hello and welcome to MarineMax Wrightsville Beach. My name is David Hoffman and we're going to take a look at our 2019 Boston Whaler 320 Vantage. As we start right at the back, as you can see, we are equipped with twin 350 Mercury Verados in white. And as we move onto the boat, we can see that we do have 3 rod holders right in the back in the transom area. As we step aboard, we have a great seating layout. We have a great aft seating section here that folds away to make plenty of room for the fishing. This boat is equipped with a dive door on the starboard side. Fish boxes in the floor. This boat is equipped with the hardtop with the power sunshade that comes out, along with plenty of rod storage. As we move here forward, again we have a sink and a refrigerator, along with a live well, painted blue. We have plenty of seating here, and these seats will move in any direction, any setup that you'd like to have. Plenty of storage underneath as well. As we move to the helm, as you see, we have our 9-inch Mercury vessel view, our Fusion stereo. We are equipped with the joystick piloting. We also have here a nice area for somebody who wants to get out of the sun, chill out, lay down. Nice little area there. And forward we have a nice large head with a sink, and it's a pump out as well. As we move forward to the bow, we have ample seating with armrests on each side. Plenty of storage underneath these seats as well. This boat is equipped with a boarding ladder and a windlass. And this is our 2019 Boston Whaler 320 Vantage. If you'd like to see this boat or any other, come down to MarineMax and ask for me, David Hoffman.